Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we ensure the product assembly for our Casa Tigidi cab. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require part C, part D the boards, 3 part CL, 3 part CR, 12 part number 9 the screws. The item does come with a Phillips screwdriver. You can use a power tool. Let's assemble. Let's start with D and CR. Okay, here you go. We can use the first hole. For our next step, require our previous assembly and 4 parts number 1, the screws. Let's assemble. For the next step, require our previous assemblies, also 2 parts F, 4 parts 3, 4 parts 2 our lockers. Let's assemble. For the next step, require previous assembly, parts B, 4 parts 3, 4 parts 4. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 4 parts number 7, the feet. For the next step, you require part E and 4 parts number 3, the wooden dials. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part A and 4 parts number 1. Let's assemble. For the next step, require our previous assemblies and 4 parts number 2, the lockers. Let's assemble. For the next step, require our main assembly 10 parts number 5, 10 parts number 6 the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 3 parts G and 12 parts number 1 the screws. Let's assemble. For the next step, require previous assembly, also 3 parts I, 3 parts J, 12 parts number 2 the lockers. Let's assemble. When assembling, make sure they all match. We're going to be doing the same for the other 2. For our next step, you need our previous assemblies, also 3 parts K, 3 parts H's, 12 parts number 8 the screw. Let's assemble. We're going to take part K, part H, we're going to be doing the same for the other. For the next step, for our previous assemblies, also 3 parts DL, 3 parts DR, 12 parts number 9 the screws. Let's assemble. Wheels must face the back. We're going to be using the third hole. For our last step, we'll be putting on the stickers, part number 11, and also the drawers. Also, you can have a look on our manual to see how you fit the anti-tipping. Thank you for watching the process assembly of our Casa 3D cab. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more process assemblies, more for products. Thank you.